Today everyone, I am Lucky Mohammed. We are your reporters from Manay Institute for the talented and talented students are here. Here in MIS, you are the star. Today marks a special day as we start the first day of Senior High School's week 3 at Manay Institute.
It's indeed an exciting start with a lot of activities awaiting us.
Absolutely. First up, we have a cooking contest where our students showcase their culinary skills.
The planned activities aim to equip grade 11 and grade 12 students with the necessary skills and competences for their future careers. Ano pong masasabi nyo sa first day po ng Senior High School's week?
Excited kasi nga first time na kinuha ako mag-judge as dito sa cooking contest. So excited na makatikim ng mga bagong recipe ng mga magluluto ngayong araw na to. Kasi mga natitikman lang namin before is chicken joy, adobo. So ngayon, may mga bagong recipe lang matitikman natin at magluluto.
And let's not forget about the fashion show where our students strutted their stuff and flaunted their style. And how can we miss the quiz bee? Our students demonstrated their intellect and knowledge in various fields.
So fellow students, let's join together in celebrating our inaugural day of Senior High here at Manay Institute. Thank you for tuning in. This is Sid Bong
And Charlie.
reporting from Manay Integrated School. Have a great day, everyone.